A while back I was contacted by a company called Reyna to have a look at some of their nail stuff, and they were very kind and sent me some items. So by the way, cute packaging. The bubble bag is pink. So I went and looked on their website and I grabbed a few things. I think I actually got the wrong dip powder colors, but I'm gonna work with them anyway. So their original email was them wanting me to try out their gel nail polish strips. I've never applied anything like these before, so this will be fun to try out. I got myself this set that's kind of like pinky gold butterflies. This one that's black hearts. Some of the nails are black, some of them are gray with black hearts and dots, and the others kind of look like a messy ombre kind of, I don't know how to describe that. And this was my favorite. Like, if I could only get one thing off their site, this was going to be the one. It's black and silver and marbled on some of them. It's very pretty. On the back of them, it has the instructions. Remove the clear cover, peel polish strip off, remove the tab and select end. Oh, whichever end goes on your nail. Apply to the nail and gently file off the excess. And that's it. You just stick them on. They're like stickers. And then I also have these Reyna nail dipping powders. Unfortunately, they didn't have their application liquids, so I couldn't try those out. So what I'm just going to use is my ASP quick dip system to test these out. I'm going to try to create some kind of sparkly, because this looks like a sparkly gold, sparkly, marbly, maybe a black tip or a white tip here and there, and mix in some of these on my nails. And I think to try these out, I'm going to go with full cover nails instead of doing a whole dip nail, just because I'm trying to give my nails a break. I don't like to wear nails that often. So just to give myself a bit of a break, I'm going to apply these because they're easier to remove. And then I also think that that will make these easier to apply, just because it will be a for certain very smooth surface, but we shall see. Wow, I actually got my pointer fingers relatively straight today. So weird. Nails are on. So, I gotta try to think of what I want to do first. I think on my pinky and my middle finger, I'm gonna try to do some kind of marbling effect with the dip powders. And I should have opened these before I put on the nails. Why am I like this? There we go. I got this. Of course, I can't get this off. You can do this. There we go. That is super sparkly. So we've got a very pretty gold glitter and black. And I also have my Revel Nail clear on the side, just so I can encapsulate whatever I end up doing. Woo! God, that went everywhere. Okay. And I'm hoping this is actually white and not just clear. All right, I'm gonna take the nail base liquid and let me zoom in. I'm gonna see if I can just kind of paint little spots and then take this and my little nail art spoon, and I'm just gonna take a little tiny bit and get, okay, try to actually get it on the nail would be a great thing. Okay, we have something happening. Then maybe do the same thing with a little bit of black. Put some down there. I feel like I should have done the black first, because at this point it is just going to make a mess. Oh no, it didn't! Ah, that's so cool! Oh, it's kind of like cow print though. Interesting. Oh, this is exciting. It's working. I didn't think it would work. And then put some white spots right there on the tip. Some right there. And my spoon is getting a little dirty, so I'm gonna switch over to this and hope this works. Oh, that's even better. Okay, where is my brush when I need it? Come on. Kind of messed up there with the white. It doesn't look white. It looks like a mess. But it's still cool. I think I'm gonna do a couple more layers of the sparkle just to get some more on there, because it looks like some of it fell off. Oh, I think it looks kind of cool. That's kind of exciting. I know my camera isn't zooming in the best, but like, besides my little mess up here on the side, which I can fix with some filing, I'm excited. So now I'm going to take my clear and encapsulate the whole thing. Hopefully this fits in here. Yes, it does. Perfect. One more layer of the base. And then the activator. Okay, sadly, my left hand did not come out as pretty as my right hand, but it's my first time ever trying something like that, so the black color kind of went a little crazy on my middle finger here. I'm gonna leave it for now. I might, you know, file some of it off and redo it later, but for now I want to get my hands finished completely. I think I'm gonna put stickers on my pointer finger and ring fingers, and my thumbs. I'm gonna try something that I've never done before. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to pull this off because it's so hard to see what you're doing, but I'm gonna try to do a really long smile line black tip. Yeah, it's really hard to see where you're actually getting the liquid, so I don't know if this is gonna work out. But if not, it'll just be a really messy black tip. How am I gonna do this? I can't dip it into there, it's too small. Oh God. You know what? Maybe I can. Just go for it. Oh, geez. Oh, it's not too bad. It's a little messy and I missed a spot, but I can clean this up. This is great. Not terrible. Not too disappointed in myself. Okay, I fixed up the tip a little bit and I put glitter all over the thumb, and I think it kind of looks cool. I think it'll look better once it's completely finished and shined and everything. But yeah. No! Almost spilled. Oh my God. Graceful. I don't know what it is about my cuticle area with this glitter, but it just doesn't want to stick there. Okay, I'm going to encapsulate this glitter and then buff and file and shape these nails, finish them up, and then I'll come back to do these two. All right, we're nice and filed, and I'm not gonna put the top coat on until we're done with everything so that it's nice and satisfying to watch. But that wonky middle finger is, when I was filing, I tried to file off a lot of the black, and it's a little better, but it's still wonky. You know, it's not as nice as the other fingers. We'll just cover it up. It's fine. Everything's fine. So now I have to decide, because I went with testing out the dip powders, I just realized it would be weird if I put more patterny stuff on my other two nails. So I'm thinking I'm just gonna take the black ones out of here and stick them on. So like I said, I've never used these before, so we'll see how this goes. Oh, nice packaging. Cool. Okay. So, peel it off like a sticker, stick it on, file off the excess. And I hope they do look long enough. So that's good. That's a good sign, because I didn't even think about that at first. They might not be long enough for my nails, but they look fine. Oh, it's a little Ziploc too. Nifty packaging. So you can put them back in if you're not using them all, like me today. I can't open this. Oh, I don't think I even needed to peel that thing off. Oh, come on. Why do people have to have the loudest vehicles ever? Anyway, okay, come out of the bag. God, these are pretty. I should have just done these by themselves. Oh well. Let's see. I'm thinking that one for this finger and this bigger one for this finger. Okay. Let's take it off, remove. Damn it. Come on. Remove the clear cover. That did not work. Get off me! I don't get it. It says we're supposed to be able to remove the whole thing. Peel off the polished strip. It looks like it's peeling from here, so this might actually be fine. Can I just peel this off? There we go. Oh God, this is gonna be difficult. Okay, which one was I doing that on? Crap. Why do I suck at this? Let's just do the pointer finger. Okay. Apply to the nail. Oh, I'm trying to get this perfect. Can you guys even see? Okay. I'm gonna press it. Oh boy. Interesting. I don't think I got it perfect. It's a little too far over on this edge, but you can barely see that. And I'm hoping I'll be able to file in this corner here. Oh, but if I can perfect this, this is so easy. All right. Just gonna take some time like rubbing it on because I do not want it to come off. And I'm gonna go ahead and stick on the other one too. Take off the clear cover. Take off the sticker. Obey me, would you? Okay. Press. Firmly grasp it. Oh, this is cool. Super nifty. Okay, it doesn't specify exactly what kind of file to use, so I'm just gonna go in. Look at that. It's coming right off. Oh, that's so nifty. Makes life so much easier. I am having difficulty on the end, but it's okay. All right, that is nifty and super simple. God, if I had just done the whole thing, I'd be done in 2 seconds. But I really wanted to try out the dip powder, so here we are. All right, I'm gonna come back with the other hand done, and then we're gonna put on the top coat, and it's gonna look fantastic. I just realized that there's some other stuff in the box. Dry wipes and a file. Oh, I'm assuming you can use these to wipe off your nails first. I didn't because I had just cleaned mine, but yeah. I guess this will remove all the oils and stuff from your nails. Does it even say on the back? No, it doesn't say. But that's nice that they included that in there. So if you went on their website and you just bought one of these, you've got everything you need, ready to go. And now finally we're gonna get to the satisfying part. I'm going to put the top coat on my other nails. Oh, it's so beautiful. I feel like the thumb is going to be the most satisfying. I love them! I hope you guys enjoyed this video, found it helpful, fun to watch me experiment a little bit. If you have any recommendations for me, you can put them down in the comment section, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye!